out of business in one day.
I have no reason to.
Oh, what's for dinner?
What do you want? She wants some Taco Bell.
Fuck you! The only reason I picked that was because it's cheap. Fucker. Yes, I'm good at being trash.
You talking to yourself?
Shit.
She's talking to herself.
She's not being nice. I'm so nice to her.
She was playing with your phone. She
I
left
did
it
not.
open.
I would
Left
never.
it open.
Me? Get a fucking open. You don't get a flip.
She was like, slight.
Get a fucking flip.
No.
Ow.
I just wanted something better than the other one.
I'm not sure what you mean about that, but I'm taking that personally. What? Oh, yeah, probably that's what I'm saying. What's he doing? Making a fucking call?
Yeah, so what?
Fuck.
Hey,
Coffee time.
coffee?
What the fuck are you doing?
Not doing your motherfucking dishes.
I don't care. I don't want you to.
I'll just throw them away.
No, that means get off my motherfucking bed.
Oh, that's funny. That's good timing.
Thanks. Ready for bed. Yeah.
That's good timing.
Oh, that's.
Did you just
Is that
leave the
rain?
door open?
Yeah.
Well, shut the door.
You shut the motherfucking door.
Shut the front door.
No,
What's that back there, Sean?
Fuck that back door.
Oh, no, you don't have to do it.
No.